In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Reporting Guide 2026. We'll walk through building a reusable reporting setup in ClickUp so your team can track work consistently and make decisions faster. To begin, open the folder in your workspace where you want these reports to live. The folder choice matters because permissions and visibility inherit from here, so pick a spot your team can access. Open the folder settings. This is where you'll manage templates and views for everything inside that folder. Next, select Browse Templates. This opens ClickUp's template gallery, a curated library of ready-made reporting layouts. You'll see a variety of reports pop up. Take a moment to scan the previews and descriptions so you match the template to your use case, whether that's daily operations, project rollups, or performance snapshots. When you find a good fit, click Use Template. If you're prompted again, confirm Use Template to start the setup wizard. Now, fill in the relevant fields. Choose the location, set a clear name, and decide whether the report should be private or shared. You can refine your options with additional fields like date ranges, included statuses, assignees, tags, or custom fields. A good tip is to start with the essentials and expand later, so your first version loads quickly and stays focused. Continue filling in the fields until everything aligns with how your team actually works. In the template categories, open Technical. If your reporting needs are more operations focused, then select Daily Management Report Form. If you see a Getting Started guide attached to the template, use it as a quick reference for structure and expectations. Once applied, view your management reports directly in the folder. Switch to the Report Status view to see progress at a glance. Remember, you can duplicate any of these views. Duplicates let you keep a consistent layout while changing filters. Handy for different teams, timeframes, or stakeholders. Review your report statuses to confirm items are flowing through the lifecycle you expect. As your process evolves, add the necessary channels inside the report. Things like additional fields, groupings, or filtered views, so updates land in the right place and stay organized. And if you need to iterate, revisit the template settings anytime to tweak filters, rename views, or adjust ownership without rebuilding from scratch. That's it. You've added a report your team can use to streamline work processes, standardize updates, and reduce manual check-ins. If this walkthrough helped, like and subscribe for more practical guides. Until next time.